Welcome back to 100 Days of Java course. Today, we'll learn two simple but powerful things, break and continue. Think of them like rules you give to a loop. Break, it will stop the loop completely. Continue, it will skip the current round and move to the next one. So, what is break? Imagine you are counting the days of a month from 1 to 30, but you only want to check the first 10 days and then stop. Here's how we do it. For int day equal to 1, day less than or equal to 30, day plus plus. If day equal to 11, break. Stop, it will stop the loop. System.out.println day plus day is a working day. So what's happening here? The loop starts at day 1, prints up to day 10. When it reaches day 11, the condition if day equal to 11 is true, then break is triggered. The loop stops immediately. The output will be day 1 is a working day, day 2 is a working day, all the way to day 10 is a working day, and then it will break. Think of break like a boring movie. The moment it gets too boring, you will walk out of the theater. So, what is continue? Now, let's say you want to print all the 30 days, but skip weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Let's assume day 6, 13, 20, and 27 are Saturdays, and day 7, 14, 21, and 28 are Sundays. So, how do you skip them? For int day equal to 1, day less than or equal to 30, day plus plus. If day percentile 7 is equal to 6 or day percentile 7 equal to 0, continue, that skips the weekend. System.out.println day plus day is a working day. So what's happening here? The loop goes through all the 30 days. When the day is 6, 7, 13, 14, 20, 21, 27 and 28, the if condition becomes true. Continue tells the loop, don't run this line, jump to the next day. So weekends get skipped.